everyone. Welcome back to Manu Daily English Talk, your friendly English learning channel.
Hey everyone, welcome back to Manu Daily English Talk. I'm Manu, and as always, my friend Janu is right here with me.
Hi everyone, great to be back.
So Janu, how has your week been?
Oh Manu, honestly, it was pretty stressful. My boss gave me 3 extra reports on Tuesday. I already had a full week, you know? My heart was racing when I saw the email. I felt nervous, angry, and kind of stuck.
Oh, I totally get that. That feeling is so common. You want to be helpful, but it feels unfair, right?
Exactly. I didn't know what to say. If I say no, I look lazy. If I say yes, I work until 9 p.m. again.
You know what? That is a real problem. And today, we are going to fix it together. By the end of this episode, you will know exactly how to talk about unfair work tasks. You will learn polite, professional English to set boundaries. And you will still sound friendly and helpful.
Oh, I really need this. Let's start.
Great. Let's jump into our main tips. Tip number 1. Don't say yes right away. When your manager asks for extra work, buy some time. You can say, "Sure, let me check my schedule first." Or, "Can I get back to you in 30 minutes?"
Oh, I always say yes immediately. Then I panic later because I have no time.
Exactly. Most people do that. But when you pause, you protect yourself. You give your brain time to think. Try this at home. Next time someone asks for extra work, count to 5. Then say, "Let me see what I have on my plate."
On my plate? Like food?
Haha, good question. It means your current tasks. On my plate means what you already need to do.
Oh, I see. That's a nice phrase.
Tip number 2, show your workload. Don't just say you are busy. Show it. Say, "Right now I'm working on X and Y. Both are due this Friday. If I take this new task, something will be late."
Wait, is it okay to say that to a boss?
Yes, if you say it politely and calmly. You are not complaining. You are sharing facts. For example, imagine you are a teacher. You already have 50 essays to grade. Your boss asks you to plan a school party too. You can say, "I have 50 essays due Friday. If I plan the party now, the grading will be late."
Oh, that sounds professional, not rude.
Exactly. You are helping your boss see the problem. Try this at home. Write down your top 3 tasks. Practice saying them out loud in a calm voice.
Okay, I will try that tomorrow morning.
Tip number 3. Ask about priorities. This is super useful. Ask, "Which task is the most important?" Or, "Can you help me prioritize these?"
Prioritize? What does that mean exactly?
It means decide what comes first, second, third. When you ask this, your boss has to think too. Maybe the new task can wait until next week. Maybe an old task can move to someone else.
Oh, I never thought of asking that. I just try to do everything at once.
And then you feel overwhelmed, right?
Yes, I feel like I'm drowning.
So ask about priorities. It shows you care about quality. Try this at home. Write the question on a sticky note. Put it on your computer so you remember it.
Great idea. I need sticky notes.
Tip number 4. Suggest a trade-off. A trade-off means you give something and get something. For example, "I can do this new report, but can someone else take my meeting notes?" Or, "I can finish this by Monday instead of Friday."
Oh, so it's like making a deal?
Yes, exactly. A friendly professional deal. You are not saying no. You are finding balance. Let's say your coworker asks for help. You can say, "Sure, I can help for 1 hour, but I need to finish my own work by 4."
That feels much safer than a hard no.
Right. It keeps the relationship positive. Try this at home. Think of one task you can trade. Practice offering it in a polite way.
Okay, I like this one a lot.
Tip number 5. Use I statements. This means talk about your feelings, not blame. Don't say, "You always give me too much." Say, "I'm worried I won't do a good job." Or, "I feel stretched thin this week."
Stretch thin? Like a rubber band?
Ha ha, yes. Exactly like that. It means you have too much to do. You feel like you might break.
Oh, that's a perfect picture. I feel that often.
I statements are gentle but honest. They help people understand without feeling attacked. Try this at home. Change one "you" sentence to an "I" sentence. Write it down and read it aloud.
I'll do that tonight. It sounds powerful.
Tip number 6. Know when to say a clear no. Sometimes a soft answer is not enough. You need a polite but firm no. Say, "I really appreciate you thinking of me, but I can't take on anything new this week."
Wow, that sounds strong but still kind.
Yes. You thank them first, then you set the boundary. A boundary is a line that protects your time and energy. Everyone needs boundaries, even at work.
I always feel guilty when I say no.
I know. But saying no to extra work is not lazy. It means you want to do your main job well. Try this at home. Practice saying no in the mirror. Smile, keep your voice calm, and say the line.
In the mirror? Okay, I'll try. I might laugh though.
Laughing is fine. It helps you relax. You know what else is a great habit? If you are enjoying this episode, please like the video and subscribe to Manu Daily English Talk. Share this with a friend who also feels overworked. Now, here's a question for you in the comments. Have you ever had to say no at work? What did you say? Tell us below. The link to our practice worksheet is in the description. So, getting back to our chat. Let's look at our pocket words for today.
Pocket words? I love this part.
Pocket words are super useful words we keep forever. We have 5 today. Our first pocket word is workload. Let's hear that again. Workload. Your workload is all the work you have to do.
Oh, I know this one now. My workload was too heavy last week.
Perfect sentence. That's exactly how we use it. Our second pocket word is boundary. Let's hear that again. Boundary. A boundary is a limit you set to protect yourself.
I need to set a better boundary with my boss.
Yes, you do. And it's okay to do that. Our third pocket word is prioritize. Let's hear that again. Prioritize. It means decide which task is most important first.
I should ask my manager to help me prioritize.
Exactly. Great example. Our fourth pocket word is manageable. Let's hear that again. Manageable. If something is manageable, you can handle it. It is not too big or too hard.
I want my week to feel manageable, not crazy.
That's a wonderful goal. We all want that. Our fifth pocket word is trade-off. Let's hear that again. Trade-off. A trade-off is when you give one thing to get another.
The trade-off was doing the report but skipping the meeting.
Nice one. You are getting really good at this. Now let's smooth it out. We will take stiff learner sentences and make them sound natural.
Okay, I'm ready. I probably say the stiff ones.
Number 1. Janu, say the stiff version.
That is not my job.
Okay, grammatically correct, but it sounds angry. It can hurt feelings at work. Here's the smooth version. That's outside my usual scope, but let me check what I can do.
Oh, that's so much softer and more professional.
Right. You set a limit, but you still sound helpful. Number 2. Give me the stiff version.
I cannot do this because I am too busy.
Again, correct, but it sounds like an excuse. Here's the smooth version. My plate's pretty full right now. Can we look at my priorities?
My plate's pretty full. I love that.
It's casual, friendly, and very natural. Number 3. Last one.
You gave me too much work.
Ooh, that sounds like blame. Very direct. Here's the smooth version. I'm worried this might stretch me too thin.
Stretch me too thin, like the rubber band again.
Exactly. Same idea, but much gentler.
These smooth versions are really good. I need to practice them.
You will. And now, let's practice together. We will do a role play. I will be the manager, and you are the employee. I just gave you a new big task. Ready?
Okay, I'm a little nervous, but let's try.
Hey, Janu, I need you to finish the sales report by Friday.
Sure. Can I check my current workload first?
Of course. What are you working on now?
I'm finishing the client emails and the budget sheet. Both are due this Friday, too.
Oh, that's a lot. Can you still do the report?
I'm worried it might stretch me too thin. Can you help me prioritize these 3 tasks?
Good point. Which one is most urgent?
The client emails are the most urgent, I think.
Okay, what about the sales report?
Could we make a trade-off? If I do the report, can someone else help with the budget?
That's a fair idea. I can ask Tom to do the budget.
Great. Then my workload will be more manageable.
Perfect. And if something else comes up?
I'll let you know if my plate gets too full.
I appreciate that. Thanks for being honest, Janu.
Thank you for understanding.
See how natural that sounded.
Yes, and I didn't feel rude at all. I actually felt confident.
That's the power of polite, clear English. Let's wrap this up. Today we learned 6 tips for unfair work tasks. We learned to pause before saying yes. We learned to show our workload and ask about priorities. We learned trade-offs, I statements, and polite no's. We also practiced 5 pocket words. And we smoothed out 3 stiff sentences.
This was so helpful. I feel much better now.
Here's your small homework. Use 2 of these phrases today in a message or in the comments. Maybe write an email to yourself and practice.
I will definitely do that.
If you liked this episode, please hit the like button. Subscribe to Manu Daily English Talk. And share this with a friend who needs it. Thanks for spending time with us today. Stay kind, stay confident, and keep learning. Next time, we are talking about small talk at office parties.
Oh, I need that one too. See you next time, everyone.
See you soon. Bye for now.